This is 20 inches by 7 inches for the bag. So I have two of it. They are the same measurements. Then the body of the bag is 14 inches by 15.5 inches. So the same measurement with the lining. The lining is also 14 inches, right? 14 inches by 15.5 inches. This fabric is folded into two. Can you see it? So when I open it up, it should give me 30 inches long. It should give me this 15 inches. If I open it up, it's 30 inches long. Before we proceed to this body, let's work on the handle. This is the wrong side of this fabric. You can see it. Oh. This is the right side. This is the wrong side. So I'll just be folding my fabric like this. I'll fold this one like this. Then I'll close it. Very simple. I'll close it. So the reason why I did it that way is for it to be thick. I didn't feel like putting gum stay inside. So doing it like this, I think is very thick. See what I did? I just folded this like this. Folded it like this. Making sure that as if you want to do a kissing plate, then fold it into two. So I'll stitch down. I'll do the same thing for this. Fold this down like this, then I'll fold it like this. So I'm just going to take the sewing machine, stitch and stitch. This is the sleeve. So for the body of the bag, it will be like this. This is it. I'm going to fold it into two to get the midpoint. So for you to get it easily, it's good you give it a good press. Like you fold it into two like this. Iron it very well. You'll get the midpoint. So this is the midpoint. I can decide to notch it. This is the midpoint. So what I'll be doing now, I'll grab this sleeve handle. I don't know why I keep saying sleeve because you use your hand to carry it. So I'll grab this handle. I'm going to measure 3 inches from the midpoint. Put this here. Okay, this is 3 inches from the midpoint. I'll place this one here like this. Pin it down. Then make sure you take note of the position. You'd come here, come here, come here, then come here again. Mark 3 inches from this midpoint like this. Then you pin it down. Sorry, you are pinning one part down like this. So you are pinning this side one like this. So you see that? So I will come over to this side, do the same thing. Take 3 inches. This is the midpoint. Like this. So what I'll do is to go and stitch down. I'll stitch here down, I'll stitch here down, I'll stitch here, and I'll stitch here. I can just place this here like this, like this, like that. So I've folded it into two again equally, like the way it was before. I will measure 2 inches, this bottom part, or 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. I'll mark 2.5 inches. I'll mark it like that all the way down. To form a straight line, I'll be folding this like this. Okay? You see it, guys? I'll fold it this way. Pin here down. I'll pin this side down. I'll also pin this other side down. I'm going to do a straight stitch all the way. So I'll stitch at 1/2 inch down. I'll also stitch at 1/2 inch down. This is how it looks. The same thing I did for this fabric, I'll do it for the lining. Exactly what I did, I'll do it for the lining. I'll be stitching on the sides of this lining at 1/2 inch, leaving about 2 inches for opening, and that opening will be for the turning inside out. Hope you understand. Then for the bottom part, I marked 2.5 inches, just the same way I did for the fabric, and every other thing is the same. The only difference is the 2 inches opening that I will use to turn it inside out. This is what I have first, like this. Then I will flip it to the right side. I'll flip this to the right side. So the wrong side is inside, the wrong side is outside. I'll place it inside. Then this seam will come to this side. I can just use my pin to hold it down. Same as this place here. Just open here up. So I'll push it inside. Push it inside so that everything is equal. I'll just make all of them equal like this, and I'll be stitching at 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. So let me take it to the sewing machine and stitch at 1/2 inch. Let's see how this looks. I will take off all the pins, the one I use in holding it in place. This is the opening. This is where the opening is. I'll just bring everything out through this opening. Simple as X, Y, Z. Finally, my African print tote bag is ready. This was so easy to make. I'll be putting some items inside so that the shape can further pop out. You can use this for your supermarket shopping or maybe cool evening stroll. You understand? This bag is just perfect, and it goes with any outfit because you can see it has different colors. Okay, I believe you too can try this, and kindly share your experience with me in the comment section. Just a gentle reminder, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you all in my next one. Bye.